Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data, back up to iCloud or to a Mac via Finder, confirm the backup finished. Once done, plug the iPhone into power and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the erase won't fail mid-process. Make sure you sign out of your Apple ID in Settings under your name. This step removes activation lock and allows a clean reset. Now, go to Settings and tap General to start the next phase of the reset. You navigate to General, then transfer or reset iPhone and choose Erase all content and settings. This is the core command that wipes user data and settings. When prompted, enter your device passcode and your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock and confirm the erase. The phone will reboot and show a progress bar, do not disconnect power or shut Wi-Fi. This step securely removes data, encryption keys, and resets system settings so the device returns to factory state. Once the iPhone finishes erasing, it presents the welcome setup. Verify activation lock is off before you hand it over, and remove the SIM if needed. If you see an activation lock screen, sign into iCloud. Com with your Apple ID and remove the device from Find My. If that fails, use a Mac with Finder to perform a DFU restore. If the phone stalls during erase, reconnect power, retry the DFU restore, and contact Apple support only if recovery tools cannot clear the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.